So yung guys, no, ito kami sa ano, review. Five ang puta, 4 yun. So ayun.
Kasi number 4 daw hintayin. Kasi kakalis lang daw. Maglilinis pa.
Ano na lang po, dito na lang po pakidala. Dito na lang po.
Kaya tiisin yung damage ng Rhythm of Joy. Sa ngayon ay lumalaki po ang gunting ng Onyx Philippines. 4,000 na ang nagdalamangan ng 30 segundos ang inaabangan natin for a potential boost. HP ventilator. Nasa 25% HP.
Sorry na, hindi ka makapag-refill ng right. Barang ko na to.
Bago yan, mamaya ko dyan.
Oo, magba-barbecue tayo. Inasal.
Saan ako? Pasok. May buksan mga saglit.
Ha?
Buksan.
Apa? Ganun dapat.
Ganyan po magsunog ng mang inasal. Matras ang may aso makagat ka. So nga kayo. Kasi
Dapat
lapit
dito.
mo eh.
Maya ang biling mo kasi. Pag hindi.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly print.
Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Come with it. Come with it. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?